How to sign in into Temu account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will show you how you can log in into your Temu account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Temu application in your mobile device. After that, navigate to the bottom of this interface, tap on You option. Once you're here, tap on Sign in or Register button at the top of this page. If you have already logged in with your account previously, you will have this option where you can simply continue with your account. If you want to sign in with a different account, tap on Sign in with another account option. Here again, you will have multiple options to choose from. If you have created your account using your Google account, go with the first option. There are more options with options such as continue with Facebook, email, or phone number. If you have created your account with email, tap on continue with email. Now enter your email address that is associated with your Temu account. Once you're done, tap on continue, and on the next page you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in your correct password, and once you're done, tap on login. With that, you'll be logged in into your Temu account if you have entered correct login credential. That's it. That's how you sign in into Temu account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.